Happy birthday! Salamat indray tafaveriny zay. Oh, look how oily my face is. You see? Beberaka be tarehako. Ilay namako. Hi Kimi. There she is. Tafaveriny zay. Foana ny orana nanerika foana ny orana androany. Nanerika foana ny andro androany. My goodness. Fa ya tafaveriny zay. What time is it?
It's 5:13.
Efa midimy ny andro. Ipetrapetraka kely aloha. Alafilanitra le video, le film jerenay Jumanji ny anarany. Ito le ticket. Jumanji. Mampime video, film mampime le izy. Tokony jerenareo raha ohatra ka tia film mampime nareo. Fa ie, petrapetraka kely zay dia hiomanandray ako rehefa avy eo andeha mivantana. Asehokanareo ohatra nahoana ny fiomanako rehefa mivantana dia ho hitanareo. So, you can see it on the mirror. And David looks everywhere, Miss Fat. Well, I'm telling them we're gonna get something for the rice. Whatever you eat with the rice is called loka in my language.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, that's a lot of sugar. Oh my god. Andeha live tsika afaka 10 minitra dia so zany ataoko rehefa mandeha live tsy maintsy maka makiazoko rehetrarehetra aloha dia ndao are. ato amin'ny dositsika no andeha live androany a. Tsy fanaoko matetika ty fa spécial ny androandroany. Dia ato amin'ny dositsantsika no hiditra mivatana. Zao behind the scene, behind the scene. So zany anaovantsika anazy satria mavomavo loatra le jiro atao amin'ny douche dia aleo atao somary tsaratsara kokoa. Dia izao ny hitanareo eto. Dia aka ny tablette. Efa eto ny tablette efa vonona, reto efa vonona, telefona, dia lastika. Zao ny behind the scene rehefa mandeha live misy. Aleo aloha ampidino resa asa. Aleo ampidino ity satria anasa tarehy aloha za. Ilay namako mbola ato, mbola miandry mpitsena. Tena sako tarehy androany ataoko an'ity fotsiny. Sy mila manala maquillage fotsiny ahako a. Dia mametraka maquillage indray.
To this event. Scope Entertainment just turned 1. Before I spin, it's not midnight yet, but I just like to wish my amazing wife a happy birthday. We'll do all that like happy birthday shit in a little bit. It's fun. Like literally, if you guys ever do anything in life, do one thing. Find somebody who puts up with your bullshit and marry them. Seriously. You ain't gonna get another shot at that shit. That was a one-time deal. Alright, love you guys. Let's take some shit. And if you guys didn't know, yeah, this is the day that I made 2 years with my beautiful wife. And she also just turned 27. She does know the way. I'm glad that you guys pointed that out. But I just wanted to say before we continue or anything, like I'm super stoked that the Scope Entertainment turned 1. And that we've been doing this shit for 1 year, but I'm even more stoked that somebody for 2 years has put up with my shit times 2. We're having a baby? Like, what the fuck, bro? I know you're recording me, I'm sorry if anybody hears this language, but baby, I love you. Seriously. Who else can put up with somebody that works 18 hours a day, comes home, barely talks, goes to sleep, does this shit for like 6 days a week? It takes a fucking special person. Baby, I love you. We don't have a cake, we don't have a candle, but we have a cake for you. Before I continue this shit, if everybody can just say, I'm not gonna sing, but if everybody can just say happy birthday Patty on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Love you, baby. Okay, I gotta play the music again. Love you. You want it?